Another key takeaway from this exercise was the ability to work with our Australian partners. We're out here and we were able to conduct interoperability training with them. So working hand in hand with them, showing them our capabilities and them showing us their capabilities.
The Australian Defence Force was phenomenal to work with. They're a group of very proficient individuals to learn from them and for them to learn from us so we can make both teams a better fighter.
Seeing their TTPs and their professionalism definitely taught my team a lot about how to buy efficiencies, how to be more effective on the gun line, and then what we could do in the future to make ourselves more lethal, more survivable, more effective.
Bringing the entire MAGTF's power to bear in one location, all working together in order to bring that combat power forward.
The main objective for the ground combat element during Talisman Sabre 2025 was to spread out across Australia and seize different key terrain in that area. More specifically for Echo Company, and what we were tasked with is our first task was to do an air assault on the Timber Creek airfield and seize that key terrain just so we could start flowing forces into Australia from Darwin. The next objective that we had from there is we were told to move up to Nakuru to be at more of a centralized location for us to start pushing out to other objectives. From there, we moved to Concord Airport on MV-22 Ospreys, and the ADF had pushed out before us. So once they seized that terrain, we kind of did a relieve in place with them.
LCE's role during Talisman Sabre was a task organized company of Click Alpha Reinforced. It was reinforced with the Roll 2 medical capability. Some of the exercises that we conducted was aerial delivery operations, as well as TRV-150, the tactical resupply drone. We were conducting convoy operations out in the training area to support the GCE and the ACE, as well as conducting our mass casualty drills out here as well.
During this exercise, we did a reaction drill to a blocked ambush. So what that looked like is our battery was conducting a convoy. They hit some sort of blockage in the road and took contact to the right. So we had machine guns pull off and engage with crew-served weapons, both our 50 cals and our 240s, and then our howitzers provided direct fire for any mechanized assets that were coming our way. And then once that blockage was cleared, we used our motor T-truck, remove it, and then we were able to go around and continue on our convoy.
As a battery, we consistently practice indirect fires, giving fires in support of maneuver. This was our chance to demonstrate our capabilities to defend ourselves with our organic weapon systems. The direct fire gave us the ability to use our howitzers on armored targets to both defend our position and continue to get the job done.
We did a lot of non-standard training in pretty austere conditions, but the Marines were bought in the entire time. They performed safely, but also really well, always moving fast, always really bought in, no matter what the training evolution was.